Hi, I'm Rick Friedman, and here's a lighting tip from Location Lighting Workshops and Photo Workshops Miami. What do you do when you're in a situation where you have a really bright background, but your subject is in the shade? Well, let me explain to you how we deal with that. First thing you want to do is use your in-camera meter and get a proper exposure of the sky. Now, when you recompose and have your subject in the frame, your meter is going to tell you that that's wildly underexposed. That's where your speed light comes in. So I've got a Nissan speed light right here with a Rogue flash bender on it, and I'm going to use that to fill in the light. And my camera is on manual, my strobe is on TTL. Let me show you what we get. That'll solve your problem. Hope to see you at one of our workshops.